Just a couple of hours ago, this breaking news came in. That is, a judge has approved a $600 million settlement in the Flint water crisis. Go to my iPad, please. This is from the Detroit News. The U.S. District Judge Judith Levy gave final approval to the $626.25 million settlement with victims of the Flint water crisis. And most of those resources are going to actually go to the young folks who have been impacted by that. As you know, we've talked about this on the show here, how young people were impacted. And this is from the actual settlement right here. About 80% of the settlement, go to my iPad, please. About 80% of the settlement would go to individuals who were minors when first exposed to contaminated water, including 65% for kids 6 and younger. 10% of the settlement money is going to go for children aged 7 to 11, and 5% for youth ages 12 to 17. All of the minors will get a share of the settlement. Some will get a greater amount depending on the extent of their injuries. And so that's what's happening in their case. Again, $626.25 million settlement in the Flint water crisis. And so hopefully, and again, we're talking about that's going to go on for quite some time. Now, here's also from the rest of the deal. Of the remaining roughly 20% of the settlement, 15%, go to my iPad, 15% will go to adults with injuries sustained in the crisis, 3% for adults with property damage, 0.5% for economic losses to businesses, and 2% for special education services. About $35 million will be set aside in a trust fund for, quote, forgotten children, those in foster care or others who may not have an opportunity to apply for compensation. Those individuals can apply for compensation from the fund when they reach the age of 19. And so that breaking news out of the state of Michigan. And so we're certainly glad to hear that. Let's go back to our Roland Mark Unfiltered video in just one moment.
Time to be smart.
Roland Martin's doing this every day.
Oh, no punches!
Thank you, Roland Martin, for always giving voice to the issues.
Look for Roland Martin in the whirlwind, to quote Marcus Garvey again.
The video looks phenomenal, so I'm really excited to see it on my big screen.
Support this man, Black Media. He makes sure that our stories are told.
See, this difference between Black Star Network and Black-owned media and something like CNN.
I got to defer to the brilliance of Dr. Carr and to the brilliance of the Black Star Network.
I am rolling with Roland all the way. Honored to be on a show that you own. A black man owns the show.
Folks, Black Star Network is here.
I'm real revolutionary right now. Like, wow, Roland was amazing on there.
Hey, Black, I love y'all.
I can't commend you enough about this platform that you've created for us to be able to share who we are, what we're doing in the world, and the impact that we're having.
Let's be smart. Bring your eyeballs home.
You can't be Black-owned media and be scared. You dig?